Annual General Meeting of Palamu Chemists and Druggists Federation held at Palamu Club. The annual general meeting of the Palamu Chemists and Druggists Federation was held at the Palamu Club. Pharmacists from various blocks and panchayats of the district participated in the event. The meeting discussed various issues, including strengthening the organization, increasing participation in constructive social work, and resolving problems faced by pharmacists. A 6-point memorandum was passed and submitted to Jharkhand's Finance Minister and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Radha Krishna Kishore. The minister inaugurated the program by lighting a lamp. Addressing the gathering, the Finance Minister expressed his commitment to the overall development of Palamu district. However, he emphasized that development cannot be achieved by a single individual or institution and requires the participation of everyone. He expressed concern over the slow pace of development in Palamu and urged everyone to take the initiative. Regarding the demands of the Federation, he assured that he would try to resolve them by discussing them with the Health Secretary. He further assured the Federation members that many of their demands could be addressed at the state government level. Minister Kishore stated that the Jharkhand government is committed to eradicating poverty and backwardness, not only in Palamu but across the entire state. He highlighted that this can only be achieved through the political system. He urged everyone to choose good people and good deeds, as only then can a good person accelerate the wheel of development. Sharing his personal experiences, he mentioned that after losing the 2019 elections, he had considered retiring from politics. However, a line from a poem inspired him, leading him to be present at the event. He emphasized that he has no godfather in politics and has been serving the people for the past 40 years through his hard work, struggle, and the support of the public. Mritanjay Sharma, a member of the Federation, delivered the welcome speech and mentioned that the Federation has been discharging its social responsibilities in various blocks and panchayats of Palamu district for the past 25 years. He stated that the Federation is not only involved in the pharmaceutical business but also actively participates in constructive social work, organizing blood donation camps and other such initiatives. Ramesh Kumar Shukla, the president of the Federation, said that pharmacists in Palamu are not only focused on their business but also engage in various philanthropic activities to help the poor and needy. Providing low-cost medicines and assisting the underprivileged are the goals of the Federation members. Several other pharmacists, including Satish Tiwari, Amitabh Mishra, Hani Kumar, Prince Kumar, Ashok Agarwal, Ramakant Pandey, Jitendra Kumar, Purushottam Agarwal, Kundan Prasad, Gauri Shankar Mishra, Santosh Kumar Gupta, Rajiv Ranjan, DP Shukla, Om Agarwal, Rajiv Ranjan, Raj Kumar, Dinesh Agarwal, and Deepak Kashyap were present at the event.